আসসালামু আলাইকুম। স্থানীয় সরকার প্রকৌশল অধিদপ্তরের তথা এলজিডি এর কমিউনিটি অর্গানাইজার পদের নিয়োগ পরীক্ষার প্রশ্নপত্রের চূড়ান্ত সাজেশনের তৃতীয় পর্ব নিয়ে হাজির হয়েছি এডুকেশনাল টিপস অ্যান্ড ট্রিক্স চ্যানেলে। চলুন সাজেশনটি দেখে নেওয়া যাক। ইংলিশ পার্টস অফ স্পিচ। হুইচ ওয়ান ইজ কমন নাউন? Pupils. Which one is common noun? Infant. You must watch the field. Here field is dash. Answer: a collective noun. Which is collective noun? Jari, army, court, police. Which one of the following word is an example of a distributing pronoun? Either myself, yourself, and herself are dash reflective pronoun. The journey was pleasant. Here pleasant is dash adjective. Adjective of circle is circular. Mother language the word language which an example. Intransitive noun. I had a talk with him. Here talk is a noun. Number. The singular form of phenomena is dash phenomenon. Which of the following is the plural form of tooth? Teeth. Which of the following word is singular? P6. There the plural form there. Which is the plural form of the word hero? Answer: heroes. What is the plural form of slave? Slave. Which one of the following word is not plural? News. The plural form of index is index. Identify the word in the singular form index. I have done it dash of times, hundreds. The plural form of radius is dash ready. The plural form of oasis is dash oasis. What is the plural form of life? Lives. Article. He is dash praise and he is dash honest man and he is dash MBBS and dash Nelson is British worship. The you are dash Nazrul I see a dash mother Rose is her. The dash honesty of Rahim is invariable. The check dash best in you. The he is a student of dash university. A dash water of this pond is clear. Use article. The he lost dash few books he had. Choose the correct option. The degree. Which one is the superlative degree of bed? Post. The superlative form of the word late is dash last. The found the rose condition the word rose is dash comparative. Dhaka is becoming one of the dash cities in Asia. Busiest. Which one is an example of superlative degree? List. What is the superlative degree of bed? Roast. Which sentence is correct? He is as good as I. The more you practice speaking dash, the better you will do it. I prepare my lesson dash than you. Fill in the blanks more carefully. You will have to choose dash the two ellipses, the less of hands. Teacher said the earth dash round the sun moves. When water dash it runs into ice. Freezes. Don't make a noise while your father dash is sleeping. Look at those black clouds. It dash rain. Fill in the gaps. Is going to. I dash here since 1980. Fill in the gaps. Have been living. I open the door as soon as I dash the bell. Fill in the gap. Hearted. Idioms and phrases. Once I blew man means dash very rarely. The phrase athlete's hell means dash weak point. To do away with means to start. A median speech means dash first speech. Call to mind means remember. Press away means dash die. To end in smoke means dash to come to nothing. To keep one's head means dash to keep claim. Bring to pass means dash goes to happen. Swan song means dash last word. সরকারি চাকরি সংক্রান্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ তথ্য এবং সাজেশন পেতে আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল বাটনটি বাজিয়ে রাখুন। এতে করে আমার চ্যানেলে নতুন ভিডিও আপলোড করার সাথে সাথে আপনার কাছে ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশন চলে যাবে। সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।